What's going on, everyone? How's it going? Today is Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. Today I'm going to be going over the one trade I took that was break even. Yeah, let's get into it. Little P&L. We lost $2.40 today. All right, so today was a pretty basic day for me. So there we are. I was about to say. So coming into the day, we had a small little 4-hour gap here. We were trading in. I was pretty bearish today because we have some nice sell side targets here. And this is my weekly objective. And yeah, we were just in a very basic market maker sell model. We had London highs here, resting up in this gap, 1-hour gap, 15-minute gap. So I was looking for us to manipulate up here and then respect this area and then trade lower, take out these sell side targets. I was hoping to take out this previous week low and this internal low we had here, but unfortunately that's not what happened. Yeah, let's get a little analysis. So we opened up, traded higher, took out London highs into this PG array that I wanted to see us hit. And as you can see, we respected it and we traded lower. I wanted to get in on this 5-minute inversion here because this was a great entry, exactly what I wanted to see happen. But as you can see, we didn't get the inverse on this, so I didn't end up taking this. It did end up running lower. I probably would have, I would have hit TP on this. I actually forward tested it. If I did get my entry here, I probably would have had my stop somewhere around here. And then I would have targeted this sell side, and I would have won break even at like this 930 wick low, and it would have played out beautifully for like 1.4 hour. But unfortunately, I didn't get the entry on that, so not too worried about that. But then we started trading lower. We still had these sell side targets intact that I wanted to see get hit. We did get a little 5-minute pullback, but I didn't take this because I've had trades like this so many times that it's just a basic 5-minute pullback. We'll pull back into a 5-minute and you enter and you just get killed. It's happened to me so many times, so I've learned from that. You probably would have entered on this 2-minute. I would want to break even somewhere in this internal range, and I would have got stop break even. But exactly what I wanted to see happened. We formed a 15-minute, traded up into it, took out these 5-minute internal highs, and then we did end up inversing this 5-minute gap here, but the reason why I wasn't worried about this was because we were still respecting this 15-minute. So if we got any rejection out of here, then I'd be open for shorts down in the sell side targets that I had. And as you can see, another good thing is even after we inverse that 5-minute gap, the biggest fair value gap we had on the highest time frame was this 3-minute, which we inverse where I got my entry. And this is also validating that we are not respecting bullish PD arrays and we were trading lower. So that's why I also think this was such a good setup. I definitely give it A+. But yeah, I entered on the 3-minute inversion. I had my break even down here at this swing low. I did end up going break even a little bit early because we kind of SMT'd there. ES took the low out. And we, at that point in time, we should just flush lower and take out these targets. And a lot of times we'll take out internal lows like that and then reverse, so I wasn't trying to risk that. And yeah, we flushed right down to these lows. I wanted to see this target. It looked great, and then unfortunately it didn't end up playing out, but it is what it is. One thing I did journal about this trade was next time whenever there's a good internal structure, this was kind of late into the session too, which kind of makes me realize like, oh, I guess I could have just targeted this internal low and not looked for the external liquidity. But it did look good. But one thing I did realize is if I kind of shaved my stop a little bit and then I could have taken a 1-to-1 right to the lows like this. But unfortunately, it is what it is. I think I executed this great and I did play it safe. So yeah, it wasn't a bad day. Didn't really end the day red. I traded good. Had very good psych and everything, good analysis on the market. So It does look like we're going up to this daily gap. I don't know if we'll end up hitting it, but I guess we'll see tomorrow and tonight. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up pretty quick. Pretty cookie cutter today. Didn't end up the way I wanted it, but I executed great, so it is what it is. Just journaled about everything, see what I can improve on, and just keep moving forward. So yeah, guys, that'll wrap it up for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.